The SAVSEC 3D Greenline laser offers remarkable versatility with its 360-degree horizontal and vertical laser lines, making it ideal for various construction and installation tasks. Featuring a highly visible green beam, this laser level is 4 times more visible than traditional red lasers, ensuring precise measurements even in challenging lighting conditions. With stepless dimming, users can easily adjust the laser's brightness to suit their specific needs, allowing for extended usage time ranging from 8 to 37 hours. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories such as a magnetic wall bracket, a rotating mini tripod, and more, providing multiple installation options for different scenarios. Offering 3 operational modes: self-leveling, manual, and pulse mode, this laser level is adaptable for both indoor and outdoor use, extending its range up to 131 feet with a compatible receiver. Built to withstand the rigors of construction sites, the device features an IP54 dust and waterproof rating along with shockproof protection, ensuring durability and longevity.